Stop whatever you are doing. You need to hear this because you are currently walking into a trap. You are about to repeat the exact same year you just lived. The same excuses, the same routine, the same results. Why? Because you are making the one mistake that kills more dreams than failure ever will. You are waiting to be ready. Here is the raw truth. You think you need a massive plan to change your life. You think you need to fix your health, your money, and your mindset all at once. That is the mistake. You are staring at the top of the mountain, getting paralyzed by the height instead of looking at your feet. You are trying to be perfect, so you end up doing nothing. Every morning you stand at a fork in the road. Path 1 is comfortable. It's safe. It's hitting the snooze button and scrolling through your phone. Feels good now, but it leads to a dead end. Path 2 is the hard path. It's lonely. It's disciplined. It's uncomfortable. Deep down, you know you have been choosing the comfortable path for too long. And comfort is quietly killing the future you dream about. So how do you fix it? You stop trying to change your whole life in a day. You only need to do one thing. Become 1% better today. That is it. Read 1 page. Do 1 workout. Edit 1 video. 1% seems small, but if you do that every day, by the end of the year, you aren't just better, you are 37 times better. That is the math of success. I want you to imagine something right now. Don't look away. Picture the version of yourself 1 year from today. The one who didn't quit. The one who kept the promises they made. That version of you is waiting. But they only exist if you start walking toward them right now. Not next week. Not when you feel motivated. Today. Here is the twist. Time is not waiting for you. Whether you work or you sleep, the next 12 months will pass anyway. The only question is, who will you be when they are over? You can't change the beginning of your story, but you can violently change the ending. If you are done with the excuses and you are ready to build, comment, "I'm starting today." This is Psyche Doc. We don't just dream here, we build brick by brick. Subscribe now and let's get to work. The rewiring continues.